Okay, so in case you're wondering, these are the Oraimo Spacebuds Neo Plus, and I got them about 3 weeks ago, and they cost 22,600 naira on the Oraimo website. They are marked as ANC, and I thought they would just be fine. But after using them every single day for music, calls, podcasts, everything, the essentials, there's one thing they do surprisingly well, and one thing that might stop you from buying them. So let's talk about it in this video. Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Folaranmi Erastus, and here we talk about things tech. We do reviews and just basically everything tech. And today very comfortable. I've worn this for long stretches and without any pressure fatigue from those long stretches of me wearing it. So they sit securely in my ear, and obviously not workout securely, but at least just your normal sitting on walking on the road, listening to your music, listening to your podcast. in the three modes just depends on your environment. Actually, I'll be sincere. In quieter environments like your indoor office, just light street vibes and light street noise, you'll notice the ANC working, which is the noise cancellation, active noise cancellation working if you put it on. But in extreme noisy and environment and noisy background, that's when I started asking questions. Is this thing even different? Why do they all sound the same? Am I in transparency mode or noise cancellation mode? Because I couldn't notice a tiny difference. There was a difference in that I felt little filtering of the noise, but it's just too minimal for me to even pick it up. I had to listen closely to get that difference, but I couldn't really find the difference, even though I know it's a little there. Let's talk about the sound quality. For 22,600, the sound quality is actually very, very good. There is more strong bass and low ends, while still keeping, the totally mid-range and crisp, bright, and very little high volume distortion. Not overpowering, but noticeable. Vocals are clear. Podcasts feel very vibey and natural, and music does not feel muddy at all. Rather, it feels just so rich, like as if you are immersed in a concert, and you can hear the tunes on and the beats and the bass of the whole music. It's just so fun. I feel so immersed every time I'm going on the road, and I'm with my earbuds. I zone out, and I enjoy the journey of me walking home from school to my apartment. Obviously, they are not studio reference earbuds. They are not Sony's level detailed monsters or the AirPods levels or any of those high-end earbuds. But for 22,600, they are solid. Let's talk about the battery life and daily use. For those that know me, they know I love music so much. I hope one day I'll become a singer. Why did I say that? Anyways, I use it for calls. I use it to listen to a lot of music because I love music. If I'm going out, I take my earbuds and I listen to music. I love music. I'm filled with music. And this earbud, I don't charge it for a long time. I just charge it whenever I like. Sometimes 4 days, 5 days, and it still lasts very long because it's just so great. The battery life is very strong, but it also depends on how I use it. Some days I use the earbuds very well because I go out, but some days I'm an indoor person, so some days if I'm not going anywhere, I can stay indoor throughout, and maybe I don't use the earbuds as much, but definitely they last very, very long. If you read what Oriamo promises, say 30 hours playback time, which is long hours. So battery has not been an issue for me. So let's go back to the ANC talk. Here's the truth, I'll be honest. In noisy environments, busy areas, you can tell it's trying to reduce the noise, but doesn't really erase it. The difference between the three modes is just very subtle. So if you are expecting like premium AirPods or Sony level, then you might have missed your target. You shot at the wrong thing. But for their price point, as I've said before, it's fairly good. So what are the pros and cons? For the pros, the design punches far above, like not shooting towards the stars, that's an exaggeration though, but it punches far above the price point. It's comfortable, that's also debatable, but it's comfortable to just normal walking and moving, sitting, stable movement. It has multiple modes and you can use it multiple times a day. So some things I don't love about it is that the ANC is just basically useless in loud environments, and the plastic build, even though it still looks very premium, but obviously we are humans and sometimes the earbuds does fall down and scratches and all that. As I said before, if you watch my review, I hate scratches. I hate my tech things looking scratchy and all that. But the earbuds are inevitably going to look like that. They're going to look mushy and all that. But for 22,000, it's very good. And I've come, or you would be getting the right thing, is what I should have said, because they are very practical, not so flashy. Honestly, it's okay. And honestly, after 3 weeks of using